Hey, Keita, how are we going to promote my newest listing at 2731 Battleground Drive?
I have an idea. Let's have a battle.
You're on. Last one standing wins.
Let's do it.
Keita, there's a lot to like about this house.
Good luck.
4 bedrooms, 3 full baths.
3,466 square feet.
Huge corner lot.
3-car side entry garage.
Winthrop Hall neighborhood, North Rutherford County.
Zoned to Siegel Middle, Siegel High.
Open floor plan.
Beautiful stone fireplace.
Lots of windows to allow great light.
Engineered hardwoods throughout the main living area.
Gourmet kitchen, a chef's dream.
Granite countertops.
Huge kitchen island.
Tile backsplash.
Tall shaker cabinets.
Gas cooktop and double ovens.
Pot filler.
Stainless steel appliances.
Large breakfast area with wainscoting.
Large owner suite with new hardwood flooring.
Tray ceiling and lots of light.
$1 million bath with frameless dual entry and shower heads with a rain shower.
Garden tub.
Linen closet and large walk-in closet.
Just outside the owner's suite is an arrival center and a laundry that leads into the 2-car garage.
Second bedroom on the main floor.
Flex room and full bath downstairs.
Tall doors, bullnose corners, and extensive trim package.
Upstairs, 2 flex spaces with built-ins.
2 bedrooms up and connected full bath.
Large screened patio with bar.
Outdoor patio with gas fire pit.
Full fenced yard with irrigation.
And don't forget the mature trees.
We could go on for days, Keita.
Call it a draw.
Thank you for viewing my newest listing, 2731 Battleground Drive.
Come and see me this Sunday from 1 to 3 p.m. for our open house.
Or call Angie Morgan for more information, 615-796-4390.